Hey there, it's Your Name from Grow My Savings. Today we're diving into a topic that every parent, uncle, or mentor should care about, teaching kids about money. Because let's be real, if we don't teach them, the world and social media definitely will. And that lesson usually comes with a price tag. The earlier we start teaching kids how money works, the more confident and capable they'll be as adults. So let's talk about how to start simple, make it fun, and help your kids grow into smart money thinkers. Most kids form their money habits by age 7. Yep, 7. That's why it's never too early to begin. You're not teaching them about stock markets or credit scores yet. You're teaching them the mindset, money is a tool. You can choose how to use it. Saving today means freedom tomorrow. When they see you making thoughtful choices, like saving, budgeting, or saying no to impulse buys, they start copying that behavior. Let's break it down by age. Ages 4 to 7, keep it visual. Give them a clear jar for saving and one for spending. When they earn coins for helping out, let them see it grow. You can even say, "This jar is your future fund," and watch how proud they get when they buy something with their own savings. Ages 8 to 12. Introduce goal setting. If they want a toy or gadget, don't buy it right away. Say, "Let's make a savings plan." Show them how to divide allowance into categories: spend, save, and share. This builds discipline and delayed gratification, the real secret to wealth. Ages 13 to 18. This is where we bring in budgeting and earning. Encourage them to track spending or start small side hustles: pet sitting, selling crafts, helping neighbors. Then talk about what to do with that money. Save some, invest a little, and spend wisely. The goal isn't to make them money obsessed, it's to make them money aware. Learning about money doesn't have to be boring. Turn it into games, like letting them budget for a family pizza night, or comparing prices at the store, or give them mini investor challenges. If you had $50 to grow, how would you use it? Kids love being included in real decisions, and those moments become life lessons they never forget. Here's the most powerful part: kids learn what they see. If they watch you save, budget, or plan for the future, they'll grow up thinking that's normal. If they see you stress or avoid talking about money, they'll absorb that too. So the best way to teach your kids about money is to live your own money values out loud. Talk about saving. Share small wins. Let them see progress. Because when kids grow up financially confident, they're not just richer in money, they're richer in choices, confidence, and peace of mind. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it with other parents, and subscribe for more practical money wisdom here on Grow My Savings. Start early, start small, and remember, every money talk plants a seed for their future success.